Ever found yourself scrolling through your phone, watching your spare change get rounded up by Acorns, and then wondered, could that tiny trickle of money actually get me a slice of the Bitcoin pie? I mean, we're talking about Acorns here, right? The app that makes investing feel as easy as ordering takeout. But Bitcoin? That's the Wild West of finance, isn't it? The stuff of tech bros and millionaires, or so it seems. You're not alone. Millions of people are asking the same thing. You're trying to build a financial future. You're trying to figure out how to get your feet wet in the world of investments, and you've got this app that's already doing the heavy lifting for you. So, naturally, you're curious. Can you really leverage that simplicity, that ease, to jump into the world of cryptocurrency's most famous resident? Let's break this down. Because the answer, as with most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. It's a well, kinda, but not exactly how you might think. First, let's address the elephant in the room, Acorns itself. Acorns is built on the philosophy of micro-investing. It rounds up your daily purchases and invests the difference into a portfolio of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, based on your risk tolerance. It's designed for long-term, passive investing. It's about building wealth slowly, steadily, and without needing to understand the intricacies of the stock market. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is, well, it's a whole different beast. It's volatile. It's speculative. It's not tied to traditional assets. It's a digital currency, a decentralized network, and a technological marvel all rolled into one. It's the kind of investment that can make you a fortune overnight, or lose it just as quickly. So, how do we bridge this gap? How do we connect the dots between the steady, conservative world of Acorns and the wild, unpredictable world of Bitcoin? The short answer is, directly, you can't. Acorns, in its core functionality, does not allow you to directly buy or hold Bitcoin. It doesn't offer cryptocurrency trading. Its focus is on traditional investments. But here's where things get interesting. There are ways to gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin through Acorns. And that's where we need to dig a little deeper. Acorns offers a range of ETFs, some of which may hold companies that are involved in the cryptocurrency space. For example, some technology ETFs might include companies that hold Bitcoin as part of their treasury reserves, or companies that are developing blockchain technology. Or, you might find ETFs that invest in companies that are involved in the cryptocurrency mining or exchange industries. This means you're not directly buying Bitcoin. You're not holding it in a digital wallet. But you are gaining exposure to the broader ecosystem surrounding it. If the price of Bitcoin goes up, and the companies in your ETF benefit from it, your Acorns portfolio might see a slight bump. Think of it like this. You're not buying the gold directly, but you're investing in the companies that mine and process the gold. If the price of gold goes up, those companies' profits go up, and your investment goes up. However, it's crucial to understand that this exposure is minimal and indirect. It won't mirror the volatility of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin skyrockets, your Acorns portfolio won't follow suit. And if Bitcoin crashes, your Acorns portfolio won't plummet in the same way. It's also important to remember that these ETFs are diversified. They hold a variety of companies, not just those related to cryptocurrency. So, the impact of Bitcoin's performance on your Acorns portfolio will be diluted. Now, you might be thinking, that's not good enough. I want to buy Bitcoin directly. And that's a perfectly valid desire. If you want to buy Bitcoin directly, you'll need to use a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange, like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But here's the catch. These platforms aren't as simple and user-friendly as Acorns. They require you to set up a digital wallet, understand the intricacies of blockchain technology, and navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. They also come with their own set of risks. Cryptocurrency is a highly speculative asset class. Its price can fluctuate wildly in a short period of time. It's also vulnerable to hacks and scams. And it's largely unregulated. So, Before you dive into the world of direct Bitcoin investing, you need to do your research. You need to understand the risks involved. And you need to be prepared to lose some or all of your investment. Now, let's circle back to Acorns. While it doesn't offer direct Bitcoin investing, it does offer a valuable service. It automates your savings and investments. It takes the guesswork out of investing. It helps you build a diversified portfolio over time. And that's incredibly valuable, especially for beginners. If you're new to investing, Acorns can be a great way to get started. It can help you develop good saving habits. It can help you understand the basics of investing. And it can help you build a solid foundation for your financial future. And once you've gained some experience, you can explore other investment options, including cryptocurrency. But you should do so with caution and with a clear understanding of the risks involved. So, to summarize, no, you can't directly buy Bitcoin with Acorns. But you can gain indirect exposure to the cryptocurrency ecosystem through some of the ETFs offered by Acorns. And if you want to buy Bitcoin directly, you'll need to use a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. It's about understanding the difference between indirect exposure and direct investment. It's about recognizing that Acorns is built for long-term, consistent growth, and Bitcoin is about volatility and potential high reward, but also high risk. And ultimately, it's about making informed decisions about your financial future. It's important to understand your risk tolerance. If you're a conservative investor, you might be better off sticking with Acorns and its diversified ETFs. If you're a more aggressive investor, you might want to explore the world of direct cryptocurrency investing. But regardless of your risk tolerance, it's crucial to do your research. Don't invest in anything you don't understand. And don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Finances are complex. There are no easy answers. There are no get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding the options and making educated choices. And that's the key takeaway here. You can't directly buy Bitcoin with Acorns, but you can learn about investing, grow your funds, and potentially indirectly expose yourself to the cryptocurrency world. And if you choose to explore direct Bitcoin investing, do so with caution, education, and a clear understanding of the risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.